So remember, this blueprint is having to maintain those many things, because what you want to do is look at what type of lifestyle do you want, what type of dream do you have, and your affordability within the scope of getting to that dream. Once you can project from a cost standpoint about affordability, it gives you an advantage to look at the income that you have and to reassess what activities that you need to put in place to be able to generate enough to be able to gradually or quickly get to the standard of living that you want to experience. And with that standard of living, what comes with it in terms of responsibilities, in terms of interaction, in terms of the way you operate socially as well, because some people want to get rich but they don't want to go through the steps to get to the end goal, not necessarily the end goal, but that experience, as well as it's a whole lifestyle change. And some people may want to move into a certain type of lifestyle, but they may not know how to function in that lifestyle, and it may be dependent on the type of personalities they have. It may affect them one way or the other. And if you're not prepared for certain experiences with certain people at certain lifestyle levels, then it may come as a great experience for you, or it may come as a shock to you, and you may start to question yourself and ask, was it really worth it? Because what happens in some scenarios, this is not specific to everybody, is you get the money, you get the lifestyle, you get to the dream, but the whole experience may be totally different from what you're used to when interacting with others. And everybody has different blueprints that they work from in terms of their expectations from a social standpoint, and also maybe the neighborhood that you've decided to move into, what is required to maintain what you've bought, and also not just get into the lifestyle and get into the dream, but actually being able to maintain that dream and to be able to carry on the dream into the process and create a flow of income, as well as growing in the direction of the dreams with the income growing. So it's not necessarily just about saying, oh, I really want to get rich. Yes, I've been there, I've been there. But what we've recognized is that it's more than getting to the end goal. It's about getting to the goal and continuously maintaining the goal and adapting and changing within the context of the environment that has supported that goal. So from that viewpoint, cleaning and maintenance is very, very important. And within the constructs of females or males saying, oh yeah, I want to get rich, I want this, I want that, what we've decided to do is to say, that's really good. Ambition is good. Aspirations are great. And we totally support dream accomplishment and fulfillment. Stages of looking at what needs to be attended to and what needs to be focused on, that will help to not only get to the dream, but also show what the challenges are that may be faced on the road to the dream, and the responsibilities that come with the dream, and the choices that you would want to make with regards to how to operate within the dream. So what we do is, with more clarity, when getting into the details now, it kind of, what the experience can be is that it shakes you, it shifts your perspective, and it will be realized that in some cases, situations, it's really hard work, but it's not that complex, but it's a commitment, and it's a continuous wheel of activities that goes on around that, but it's doable. And throwing oneself in can cause confusion, and I can fully understand why some people actually don't get to the dream, because there are so many variables to be, or so many things to be considered that aren't considered, or when the income may be generated excessively one way and then it's not clear where to put what, or at what levels to be able to maintain, or where to put what, and then what areas to invest in, what is needed, and how to use other parts of the income to be able to make more money to maintain the lifestyle.